Good evening, guys. I am driving home after working the old 9 to 5, if you will. And sorry, I'm driving and trying to shoot this at the same time. That Volkswagen you see, oh well, you're not going to see it now. That Volkswagen you see is the worst trend in the car world, in my opinion. Not that it's a Volkswagen. In fact, I like the car. I got friends that are into Volkswagens and Audis, and I wouldn't mind owning one day. I have nothing against the Volkswagen or Audi. My problem was with the crackle tune. You guys know what I'm talking about. You may even hear it here on this video. This young man, and I'd say he's about 25 years old by seeing him as he passed by. We're on the highway and he's constantly just on the throttle, off the throttle, on the throttle, off the throttle. And so the whole time, pop, pop, pop. The crackle tune is the worst trend in the car world, and I'm gonna die on that hill. You got one that's worse than that? Worse than this? Comment down below, tell me. You're wrong, but please share your opinion. This is garbage, man. Again, cool car, turbos are cool, and this one does have a turbo, by the way, but this is ridiculous. Yeah, this guy sucks.